Alrighty, folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. Alright, guys, got some Cash Explosion tickets. Cash Explosion tickets for our viewing pleasure here. Ohio Lottery came out with a new $1 ticket, new $1 Cash Explosion ticket, and I bought a few of them. It's got a 75% payout, highest in Cash Explosion history. Let's see, the rules are the same. Get 3 like prize amounts and win the prize. The top prize on this $1 ticket is $500, though. Only the $2 tickets have the $5,000 top prize. Let's get to scratching on these and see what we have. I got 4 of these here. $500, $50. Ooh, one more 500, and it's a $500 winner. $2, $2, and $10. Yeah, so 74 is a dud. Got ticket number 75. I got some of the $2 ones too here. I'm going to scratch them off. Let's see, got $20 there. And $2. $2. Can we get one more $2 for a $2 win? $10. $1. And a $2 winner. $2 winner. I'm filthy rich. Yeah. Yeah. 75 is a winner. Let's check on number 76. See what we got. $20, $2, $500, $2, $10, and $500. 76 is a loser. All right, 77, double sevens, $5, $2, $10, another $2. Another $10. Can we get a 2 or a 10? Nope, it's a 5. It's a dud. Yeah. I had one winner out of 3 of those. So I got 3 of these. Let's see, 3 of them. Yeah, I got 3 of the $2 Cash Explosion tickets. The way you win on these is 3 like prize amounts or 2 like prize amounts and a 2x or 5x. Or if you get entry 3 times, of course, you get entry to the TV game show. You can win up to $5,000 on these here tickets. Let's see what we got. $20, $5,000, $4, $4, an entry, another $5,000, a $2, $2, $4, that's $4 winner, $4 winner, oh my God, 100, wow, $4 winner, I'm rich again. Ticket number 63. 63, I gotta pee. An entry. $5,000. A 10. A 100. Another 100. $5. $50. $50. And a 500. Do we win anything? No, we won nothing on 63. All right. It's ticket number 64, 64, 64. I won't say that. All right. All right. An entry ticket. An entry. We got 1 entry. Got to get 2 more. $4. $5,000. $4. $5,000. $20. 1 more 5,000. That's a $5,000 winner. $4. $4. It's a $4 winner. $4 winner. All right. $10 and an entry. All right. So out of the tickets here, I spent $10. Got $4 there. Got $4 there. So that's 8 and $2 there. $10. Got my $10 back. Broke even. All right. What a barrel of fun. More fun than a barrel of freaking monkeys. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And from the scratch pad, that's about it. Thanks for watching.